Back again. How you going? And the lard and the butter, you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it frying, but it is. It's starting to spat. But time to put the schnitzel in. The schnitzel, of course, I prepared over the weekend. And yeah, took a bit of time as always. Watch out for those who are not used to cooking. Okay, you might want to use utensils. Okay, I live here in Australia and was raised in the bush, so yeah, I like using my hands. Okay, so that's these are frozen. They just came out of the freezer like 2 minutes ago. All right, like cooking what is it, fish fingers, straight out of the freezer into the fry pan. Okay, yeah, they're softening up. Unfortunately, as I said, the power here, I've got a beautiful cooktop. We changed the cooktop a year ago now for the induction top, and yeah, she does better than gas. It's brilliant when the power's here. Right now, no power, so I have to beef this up, I think. Put it up to 10. Usually on 9 it's burning everything when we got power, but right now it's yeah, 10 past 6, so everybody in the whole country is cooking now. So our power supply is way down because we're on the end of the line. Everybody else gets their power first. It's like our internet. Now for a 5-minute video it takes me all night to upload it. And then quite often it fails because it's taking too long. The computer and the internet and everything can't handle how slow it's taking to get it up. So we're only 2 months, yeah, hopefully only 2 months away from getting the optic fibre network, the NBN, going past the house. And hopefully getting some decent upload speeds. You know, even to watch a video, at the moment we've got to put it right down on 144 bits a second, and even then it cuts out. And I'm paying top dollar for this internet, and yeah, that's what we're getting. That's how it's been for years. But that was my little complaint about it. All right, look at that, it's softened up. They're defrosted. I just want to make sure they're not stuck to the pan. This is why I wish I had a copper pan. Alright. Here we are, cooking away. And now we just got to wait for the one side to brown up, and then we turn it over. Because it's so thin, of course, it cooks quickly. But yeah, schnitzel. Wiener Schnitzel, beautiful. The kids are all dying for it. So yeah, while we're playing around, this is taking a little bit of time, but yeah, it's worth it. If you guys make your schnitzel, I don't know whether you do the dip it in the lemon juice, but you will find whether you put the lemon juice after or before. I do it in the lemon juice, so that way one helps preserve the meat better, helps give it more flavour, especially since you're putting it in the freezer. Very hard to get meat to retain flavour once you put it in the freezer. So to do that, soak it in lemon juice for 2 hours, which virtually half cooks the meat. Especially with the salt and pepper that's in there. You should see how much salt and pepper is in there. Crazy. But all very healthy because it's all the Himalayan rock salt. So, pink salt. Must. Yeah. Even now I choose to use the Himalayan rock salt rather than sea salt because, as we just had news, there's even in the sea salt they're getting now, which is supposed to be natural sea salt, there's flakes of plastic in it. Isn't that nice the way we treat the planet? So, yeah, stay away. Much easier, you know. Okay, 2 to 10 million year old salt. There's no plastic in that. Okay, against sea salt, plastic, like even the refined salt, because it is sea salt, just refined, taking all the minerals out. Wouldn't be surprised if that's got plastic in it too. I know it's got other stuff you don't want. Okay, these are almost ready to turn over. Look at that. Oops. A little bit of sticky. Oh, look at that. Oh, these are done with cornflake crumbs too. For those that are looking for a different flavour rather than breadcrumbs. Those cornflake crumbs. The girl that runs a restaurant down the road who does Schnitzel, that we frequent when we've got the money. She does a real nice job too, but she does pork and chicken schnitzels. But she uses semolina and tastes very nice as well. I haven't mastered the art, don't know how to do the semolina one. I want to give it a go, I have to ask her. But yeah, these are done cornflake crumbs. Again, my father's recipe. He showed me how to do these when I was back 10 years old. That's a while ago now. Now I've just got to try and get my kids away from the computer long enough to teach them how to do it themselves. So they've got a legacy to take on and show be able to feed their kids. All right, plates. Wishka. All right. Now getting ready for the exciting stuff. Good food takes a little bit of time, so okay, the video might be a little long, but just stick through it because you're going to enjoy it. It's good food. Okay, some parts of it might be like watching grass grow, but it's good food. See what I do, I've got to learn to edit, haven't I? So I can edit these, make them a little shorter, but then again, we want the longer ones. Longer videos. Almost ready to take those out, and then we'll put some eggs in. Show you what we do with the eggs. We've shown you before, but we'll show you again. You wash the spatula. Alright, here we go. Let's have a look. Yep. Beautiful. And now, the piece de resistance. Oh, I better turn this down. Eggs don't like being hot. Not if you're trying to make soft yolk eggs. We like them easy over in this household, but we do like the soft yolk. Runny yolk's beautiful. Beautiful. Don't be shy with the salt, guys. Okay, it seems like a long time, but there's not much coming out of this salt sugar. And then, of course, the best part of the whole lot. Oh, look at that. This is how you're supposed to put pepper on. Okay? If you're not eating that much pepper, you're not eating enough pepper. Okay? Pepper, good. Just like cholesterol, good. Salt, good, providing it's high mineral salt. Okay, not the the man-filtered table salt rubbish. Okay? Real salt. Sea salt's fair, but as I said, the sea salt was good, like Celtic sea salt and stuff, but unfortunately they're now finding plastic in the sea salt, so not as good as it once was. This one not really ready, but she's over. Look at that. Yours are coming. My youngest son Timothy's hanging over my shoulder waiting for his food. Hey Tim. Yep. They know I'm recording. Slicing his up because he doesn't like using a knife. Because of the way I slice up the meat before I make the schnitzel, of course I cut it across the grain, so very rarely need a knife. My eldest son and I, we just use forks, we don't use knives for the schnitzel, because it doesn't need one. Okay Tim, come and get it. Voila. Okay. Now before our next one, because you can see, okay, there's not that much oil there and fat and butter, because the schnitzel actually absorbed a lot. The cornflake crumbs soak up a lot of the natural fats, which of course makes it so healthy for you. And of course, Timothy, can we get it? Yeah, you take yours. Okay, well, on to the next one. Alright guys, we'll leave you there. I've wasted enough of your time. Love to see you. Catch you again soon. Alright, enjoy. See yous.